Have you ever wondered why Muslims make wudhu before prayer? Is it only about cleaning the body, or is there something deeper behind it?
Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to Fiqih Daily. In our previous lesson, we learned the 6 pillars of wudhu. But today, we are going to talk about 2 very important things: the intention behind wudhu and something called minor impurity in Islam. And honestly, understanding these 2 things makes wudhu feel much more meaningful. The question in the book is, what is the intention for wudhu? And the answer is, I intend to remove minor impurity. In Arabic, nawaitu raf'al hadathil asghari. But here's something important. In Islam, the real place of intention is the heart. So, even before we touch water, our heads already know why we are making wudhu. Saying the intention out loud can help us focus. But what matters most is sincerity inside. The next question is, what is minor impurity? And the answer is simple. Is it anything that breaks wudhu? So, if your wudhu becomes invalid, you enter a state called minor impurity and need to make wudhu again before praying. This shows us something beautiful about Islam. Before standing in prayer, we prepare ourselves with cleanliness and mindfulness. And honestly, wudhu is more than just washing with water. It's like a reset, a small pause in the middle of life, where we slow down, clean ourselves, and prepare to reconnect with Allah. And sometimes, those small moments of pause are exactly what the heart needs. So today, we learned that wudhu begins with intention and helps remove minor impurity before prayer. Simple lessons, but with deep meaning. In the next episode, we'll continue learning more about purification in Islam. So, make sure you stay with us on this journey. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum.